National
Don't let me forget what I'm counting.
Yeah. 21, 22, 25, 29.
Oh, I said, don't let me forget what I'm counting. This money remove your eye. What is that? It is the money they say we should contribute for maintenance of road and repair. It's even 70,000. You see me counting again. The thing I give me kata. So, what do you?
How much have you been finding?
This is 70,000. Say, I'm still looking for 30.
The world is not as hard as this one that you have been doing now. This you see, my mama used to say that a woman that don't have husband in the housing, that one is not a problem. It's man that don't have woman in the housing that is problem. When the man want to eat abari, àgbàdo, he will cook the ewa, he will eat it. Then he will now go to Yalagbado in the Igboro. He will go and buy the àgbàdo. He will move our yan kilo jeye ewa àgbàdo. You will ask the people that are in the downstairs, you have tenants in the housing. Tenants, you, ni títí o. The owó kó fi 100,000. They don't have to be knowing that it's 100,000. Èló ló ṣẹ́kù. Divide it among yourself. Two to get for.
Why did you say that one before?
Now that I've talked it, yeah.
You will not collect 1 naira from here until I collect the money from all the tenants and it is complete.
I have give you idea. Now you want to come and use idea to fight me. I say give me small money out of the money.
I cannot give you any money until I have full money.
That's how you want to do it.
Ben, you say I get kata now.
Which road are you talking about?
The road that you pass to go out and come into the estate.
Government road. It's what you are paying 25,000.
When last the government come to repair the road?
Are you now asking the government keeper? I'm the one who keeps the governor of the state or what? I don't understand.
I don't understand for you. You people yourself are the one that will pay the smallest. Because you people are plenty here. By the time you've shared the money, how much will you pay that you are not complaining? Other people did not even complain.
This thing is supposed to be for the owner of the house, which is you.
Which owner of the house?
Yeah, supposed to be the 100,000.
It's only the owner of the house that work on the road. I be when I buy land, I buy the road, join the land.
So now the road that leads to your house, we are supposed to pay for it.
The road that leads to my house and the road that leads to the house you live inside. Why is it that anytime they mention money like this, that your chief thing will just go down?
Because I don't pick it from road.
You pick it from road, you are not what the chief they give you. If it's truly they give you chief. We didn't know what you do. Didn't know that you come to them. They're going to come and start fighting on who will pay for rent and who will not pay for rent. Only Ranu. I'm even talking to you like a gentleman. You are doing blah 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 for me. I'm going to show you. Nonsense.